morning. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today I will teach you letters and sound M, N, O, P, and I will also tell you the formation of these letters. Let's start our work. Start from the dot, come straight down, go up, jump, jump. M. Magnet. Mango. Letter name M. The sound is MARYAM. Moon. Mouth. Very good. Start from second line. Come straight down. Go up. Jump. Letter name is N. The sound is Keep your fingers on. Net. Napkin. Start from the second line. Go round. Round. Stop. O. The letter name is O. The sound is O. Olive. O. Orange. Owl. Ox. Ostrich. P. Start from second line. Come straight down. Make semicircle. P. And the sound of P is P. P. Panda. Pencil. M. N. O. P. P. Thank you.
प्लीज़ हमारी वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलें।